In this video, we will learn how to enhance our conversation by reading book. Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn English with Nancy Convo. So today's topic is going by the clock conversation. So without wasting our time, let us start. Conversation A. Here, let me tell you first that S1 denotes for first person and S2 denotes for second person. So basically here the conversation is between two persons. First person will ask question to second person and second person will give reply to that question. So let us see one by one. First person. When is your first class? Second person. At 10 after 9. Again first person is asking question. When do you get back here? Then second person. About 10 to 12. Conversation B. First person. Alice will be back in 10 or 15 minutes. Second person. How long has she been out of the office? First person. She's been out since 10 o'clock. Second person. Then she's been out for an hour or more. Conversation C. First person. I got to the cafeteria around noon. Second person. I was there but I didn't see you. First person. I think I left a few minutes after 12. Second person. I must have just missed you then. Conversation D. First person. Our friends will meet us here. Second person. Will they come here right after lunch? First person. No, they won't be here until 3 o'clock. Second person. Then we will come a little before 3. Conversation E. First person. Let's call Mary. Second person. Let's not call her right now. First person. Maybe this is a bad time to call. Second person. Let's wait until 7 or 7:30. If you want to learn basic English, then you can follow to my first channel, Nancy Juliana. And also you can follow me on Instagram. In description, the link is given below. Go and check it. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that we come up with more boosting information. Till then, take care.